If you're looking to restore your Viewsonic projector to its original glory, the Viewsonic OEM RLC-072 replacement lamp is your best bet. This genuine OEM lamp is identical to the one originally installed in your projector, ensuring you get the same top-notch performance. With a lamp life of up to 6,000 hours, you can enjoy extended periods of brilliant image quality without frequent replacements. One of the standout features of this lamp is its impressive 180W power, which delivers bright and clear visuals, perfect for both home theaters and business presentations. The 0.4-pound lightweight design makes it easy to handle and install, allowing you to replace the lamp quickly and effortlessly. The Viewsonic OEM RLC-072 is crafted by the original manufacturer, ensuring compatibility and reliability. Unlike generic replacement lamps, OEM lamps provide the best performance in terms of brightness and longevity, maintaining the high standards set by Viewsonic. This lamp is designed to work seamlessly with various Viewsonic projector models, including the PJD5123, PJD5223, and PJD5523, making it a versatile choice for many users. In terms of design, the lamp boasts a modern style, fitting perfectly with the sleek aesthetics of Viewsonic projectors. The projector finish type ensures that it integrates well with your existing setup, providing a cohesive look. For anyone serious about maintaining the quality and performance of their Viewsonic projector, investing in the OEM RLC-072 replacement lamp is a no-brainer. It offers unmatched brightness and longevity, making it a cost-effective solution in the long run. Whether you're a professional needing reliable equipment for presentations or a movie buff who wants the best home theater experience, this replacement lamp will not disappoint. Overall, the Viewsonic OEM RLC-072 replacement lamp stands out as the ultimate upgrade for your projector. Its high-quality construction, impressive lifespan, and ease of installation make it the perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their viewing experience. Don't settle for less. Choose the best and enjoy top-tier performance with the Viewsonic OEM RLC-072.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.